Your brain doesn't want you to be productive, not because you're lazy, because it's protecting you. Every time you sit down to work, something pulls you away. That pull has a name, and it lives inside your neuroscience. In this video, you'll learn the exact biological reason your brain fights focus, and the 3 science-backed steps to shut it down. This isn't motivation. This is neuroscience. And once you understand it, nothing will feel the same. Here's the truth. Your brain has 2 operating modes, high performance mode and survival mode. Survival mode is ancient. It was built to protect you from predators, but your brain can't tell the difference between a tiger and a deadline. Your brain reads difficulty as danger, a hard task, a blank page, a tough decision. Your brain says threat, and it reacts accordingly. But here's the kicker. This isn't a flaw. It was a feature built thousands of years ago that is now completely destroying your productivity. This is your prefrontal cortex, the most advanced part of your brain. It controls focus, decision-making, discipline. When you're calm and unstressed, your prefrontal cortex is fully online. You can plan, focus, and execute with complete clarity. But the moment stress rises, even low-level background stress, your brain floods with cortisol. Cortisol is the enemy of focus. Cortisol shuts down your prefrontal cortex and hands control to your amygdala, your brain's emergency alarm. Fight, flee, freeze. This is why you feel paralyzed at your desk. You're not weak, you're not lazy, you're hijacked by your own survival biology. Think of it like this. Your prefrontal cortex is the CEO. Your amygdala is the security guard. Stress fires the CEO and puts the guard in charge.
If this is hitting different, hit that like button right now, because what comes next is where it gets really interesting. Now, meet your second enemy, the default mode network. Scientists call it your brain's idle mode. When you're not actively focused, the default mode network switches on. It replays the past, worries about the future, loops on itself. Here's the problem. The moment you face a hard task, your brain's first reaction is to drift into default mode, away from the work. This is the procrastination loop. Brain drifts, you grab your phone, you get a dopamine hit. Now real work feels even harder than before. You aren't losing focus because you're weak. Your brain is literally defaulting to a safer, easier mode. That's biology, not character. So, here is the neuroscience fix. 3 steps, all backed by research. You can start the first one tonight. Fix number 1, dopamine anchoring. Before you work, do one small thing that feels like a win. Make your bed, drink cold water, 10 push-ups. Research from Stanford shows small wins trigger dopamine release. That dopamine primes your prefrontal cortex to come back online before the hard work starts. Think of it like a car engine in winter. You don't floor it immediately. You warm it up first. Your brain works the exact same way. Fix number 2, the 5-minute rule. Tell your brain, I'll just do this for 5 minutes. That's it, nothing more. Research shows that starting a task, even brief, shuts down the amygdala's threat response. 5 minutes in, the resistance drops sharp every time. Fix number 3, cortisol reduction. Remove every source of micro-stress from your workspace. Phone in another room. Notifications off. 1 tab open. Dr. Andrew Huberman's research shows that reducing environmental distractions directly lowers cortisol and brings your prefrontal cortex back in control. When cortisol drops, the CEO comes back. The security guard stands down, and suddenly, the work that felt impossible starts to feel manageable. Your brain was never your enemy. It was just stuck in a mode not built for the modern world. Now, you know how to switch it. So here's your challenge. Tonight, before bed, write down which one fix you're trying first tomorrow. Just one. Pick it. Drop it in the comments below. Dopamine anchor, 5-minute rule, or environment reset. I read every single one. And if this video made your brain think differently, subscribe to Neuro. Every week, we break down the science of building a high-performance mind. Share this with one person who always says, I can't focus, or I'm too lazy. Show them the truth. It's not them. It's their brain, and it's fixable. This isn't motivation. This is neuroscience. Master your mind. Build unshakable grit. See you in the next